Hello everyone, I am Dr. Joshi from MDS and our today's video lecture is on classification of nerve injuries. So before we start with this classification, let's start with the basic structure of this nerve injuries. So we know the basic unit of a nerve is known as axon, and this axon is covered by a myelin layer over it. There is this MCQ being asked in exam that the peripheral nervous system is, or the myelin of this peripheral nervous system is made up of which type of cells. So for the peripheral nervous system, the myelin is made up of Schwann cells, and for central nervous system it is by oligodendrocytes. Okay, so this you remember. So these axons are covered by myelin. Now this myelin is covered by a layer. This layer is known as endoneurium. Okay, so this one axon which is covered by endoneurium, like this multiple axons, they join together to form one fascicle. That fascicle is covered by another layer, and that layer that covers this fascicles is known as perineurium. Okay, so the fascicle is covered by perineurium. Like that, multiple perineuriums they join together, multiple fascicles they join together to form the nerve, which is the outermost layer of the nerve then is covered by this structure called as epineurium. So epineurium is the outermost layer of this nerve. Okay, so this is the basic structure, starting from the axon, then it has myelin sheath, then it is covered by the endoneurium. Multiple axons join together to form one fascicle. This one fascicle is covered by the perineurium, and like that multiple fascicles join together to form the nerve, and the outermost layer of this nerve is covered by this epineurium. Now let's see the classification of nerve injuries. So nerve injury we have two nerve injury classification. First we'll see is Seddon classification. Seddon classified this the neural injuries into three types. Okay, first type of injury is the neuropraxia type. So what happens in neuropraxia is that this myelin covering of the nerve is damaged. Okay, so that area of the nerve gets demyelinized. So the neuropraxia is characterized by demyelinization. Then the second stage or the second level of injury that is there in Seddon classification is axontomesis. What happens in axontomesis? It is, of course, the factors in neuropraxia is demyelinization. It is there only, but due to hypoxia that is generated, there also will be damage to axon. So the axon which is there within the myelin sheath will also get damaged. And the third stage of this this Seddon classification is neuroendomesis. In neuroendomesis, there is complete separation of nerve in two parts. Okay, so it will cover it will damage this axon, myelin, endoneurium, perineurium and epineurium. All of them are damaged in case of neuroendomesis. So okay, so this is one classification. Later on another classification was there which was given by Sunderland. Okay, so this second classification we have is of Sunderland classification. This Sunderland classification, the Sunderland gave 5 types of nerve injuries. In the first type, it is same as neuropraxia, where you see demineralization. So it is same as the neuropraxia that we saw. In the second type, you see demineralization plus axon damage, where all these other layers are intact. So as we have discussed axanthomasis, the second type is same as the axanthomasis. In third type, we have same damage as type 2 plus, so here the damage is same as type 2, there is axon plus myelin getting affected, plus along with that there will be damage in the endoneurium also. Okay, so here it is type 2 plus endoneurium damage will be there. In the type 4, the damage is same as type 3 plus perineurium damage will be there. So it will go and affect this fascicle, affecting up till this perineurium. And in type 5, same as type 4 plus the epineurium will also be affected. So it is going to damage the nerve through and through, and same as the neuroentomosis, it is going to separate the nerve stump in 2 parts. Okay, that's all from this classification of nerve injuries. If you are in doubt, feel free to post on our WhatsApp group. All the best.